3-A is right here. Need that much. Okay. So let me repeat one more time over here. Okay. Side postulate. Okay. If three sides of one triangle are congruent to three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay. So let's find the interactive of that. Okay. Can I type SSS? Math open reference. Okay, right here. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, so if you have two triangle and if three pair of sides are congruent, okay, the two triangle have to be congruent. That's it. You see that? You see that? They always congruent. Okay. Maybe we should go to the next one because we have only the second kind of let's do the second one, and then we can go to the lesson. Where's the second one? Right here. Okay. Side, angle, side. All right. So now pay attention to this. Side, angle, side. Even on the name itself, do you see that the angle had to be in the middle? Okay. Side, angle, and then side. Okay. So literally and figuratively, it had to be exactly like that on the diagram. Okay. So if you want to prove, for example, these two angles right here. Okay. Let's read the theorem first over here. Postulate. If two sides and the included angle, so the angle had to be between the two sides of one triangle are congruent to two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay? So now look at over here. I can see the two triangle congruent by side, angle, side. It had to be D2. All right? It had to be D2. Okay? Let's take a look why they are congruent. You see? First of all, you see here, this side, DF, one mark. TS is that one mark, one mark, one mark. All right. And now look at the other pair of side is DE, three mark over here. And then TR, also three mark over here. Okay. And now look at the marking for the angle. You see that? One arc right here and then one arc. Okay. So you see the two side and the included angle. So then these two are congruent by they are congruent. So list out if you want to list out the name, make sure the name corresponding. Okay. So if the first one you list out as FDE, FDE, okay, congruent with the other one. F had to go with S, okay. The included angle D go with T, okay. T had to be in the middle, and then R, okay. And they are congruent by side, angle, side. Let's go to your homework over here. Okay. So today the homework actually very, very short. So we have plenty of time. Okay, here we go. Question number 1. Okay, name the postulate that would use to prove the two triangles congruent. Okay, so based on the marking, so far you have only either side or side, angle, side. So right, based on the marking, you don't see the angle, so it should not be side, angle, side. Right, but you see that one side congruent and the other another pair of side congruent. Where's the third side? The third side is a common side right here. Okay, the common side right there. So these two triangles have to be congruent by side. Okay, so I click on side, and then I'm done. The next one, very similar. Okay, so you see two pair of side congruent already. Where is the third side, third pair of side? Right here. They share the common side. See that? Here's the common side. So is that again side, side, side? Side, side, side. All right. Let's do the next one. Very similar. Question number 3. Okay. What theorem do we use to prove these two triangles are congruent? Okay. You see two pair of sides congruent. Okay. Do we have a third side? No, we don't. What else did we notice? These two angles, are they congruent by what? Anybody remember why these two angles are congruent? They are congruent because they are vertical angles. They don't have to tell you. You have to recognize it, you guys. Yeah. So, and you see these two angles, are they the included angle? Yes, they are right there. The two side right here, okay? And the angle right included in between the two angles. All right. On the other side, the same thing happened. Okay. So these two triangles have to be congruent by side angle side, side angle side, side angle side. Okay. Move on to question number 4. Okay. Make it smaller a little bit. Here we go. So what happened here? Complete the flow proof. Complete part A through D. Okay. What happened over here? Take a look at the given information. Okay. At J equal SG. Okay. At J equal at G. And they already marked it for you. One mark, one mark. Okay. What else do you have here? JP congruent to PG. They mark for you right here. 2 mark, 2 mark. All right. So if you want to prove these two triangles congruent, okay, what else do you notice? Do they share a common side right here, right in the middle? Okay. So therefore, these two triangles, they have to be congruent by side, side, side. Okay. So take a look over here. This one given. This one is that also given. JP congruent to PG. All right. So I put given. All right. Ooh, look at the common side. The common side. What the reason did we choose for common side? Always reflective, you guys. Reflective. Every time you see common side, the reason PS congruent to PS, reflexive. You are you. That reflexive. Okay. So now you just two triangle congruent, but make sure you list out the name correspondingly. Okay. Oh, you have one choice. SJP had to go with SGP. Okay. SGP right there. By side, side, side. You see here the reason right here, side, side, side. That's it. We're done. Voila. So question number 5, very similar. Very similar. Okay. SD congruent to PW is given right here. WD congruent to WD. Ooh, WD. Is that a common side right there? All right. WD congruent to WD. What do we use for the reason? Reflexive. Common side equal itself. Reflexive. All right. Now, DP congruent to WS. Is that given right here? It's given. It's that right there. Okay. So I put given. All right. Now, can we conclude these two triangles are congruent by side, side, side? Yes, side, side, side. So you have only one choice. Only one choice for the name of the triangle. So you should click on that. All right. So they're easier on you on this. Question number 6, very similar. Okay. Question number 6, same thing over here. All right. These two triangles, do they share a common side right here? Okay, so they should be congruent by sides, all right? So first of all, over here, SD equal FG is right here, is given. All right, here we go. Now, DP congruent to PG is right here. All right, so that's also given. So I go over here, I choose given reason. All right. And now the common side should be equal to each other. PS congruent to PS. The reason should be reflexive. Always you reflexive. Okay. And now you list out the name of two triangle, and that's the only choice. So otherwise, if you have multiple choices, you make sure you have to look at the name, make sure the name corresponding. Okay, so we done with question number 6. Um, Mr. T also teach algebra too. He's amazing. All right, and if you guys do well with geometry, I highly recommend that you go to Algebra 2 Honor. Oh my God, so much fun. All right, now complete the 2-column roof. Okay. Um, mm, Prove these two triangle are congruent. What else? What do we have it? These two triangle. Oh no, I don't have it. Are they congruent? I don't think they are congruent. Oh, there is a midpoint. B is a midpoint of CE. CE right here. B is a midpoint right there of CE. All right. So is that these two sides are congruent? Okay. So they are congruent by sides. All right. Okay. First of all, right here they give it to you. EA congruent to CD, and then AB congruent to DB. All right. All right, is that given right there? Is that given? I should choose given. Reason right here. Given, check. All right, now let's talk about midpoint. CB should congruent to CB, go with EB. Okay, let's see what the reason EB right there. Okay, definition of midpoint. Okay, here we go. Now the two triangles should be congruent by side. Side. But you guys, welcome to stop by my class to sing karaoke. All right. Next question, same thing happening. All right. B is a midpoint of CE. B is a midpoint of CE. So CB is equal to EB. That's it. So therefore, these two triangles have to be congruent by side. Okay. First of all, you have this EA equals CD, AB equal DB, which is exactly right here from given. All right, from given. So on the reason I should choose given. Okay. CB, they said B is the midpoint CE. So CB have to be equal to EC. Hold on. EB, that's what I meant. EB. All right. Definition of midpoint. Now, the two triangles congruent by side. Side. Question number 9 should be very similar. Ooh, number 9. Okay. Number 9. Okay. Same thing. But they change the diagram. That's cool. All right. So again, they give you B is a midpoint of CE. So therefore, CB equal EB right here. Okay. First of all, over here, EA equals CD and AB equal DB. All right. And do you see that this is given? So the reason I should choose given. All right. Now CB, B is the midpoint of CE. So CB had to be equal EB. Definition of a midpoint. And now two triangle have to be congruent by SSS. SSS. Okay, let's do maybe three more and then we take a quick break. Question number 10. Okay, look it over here. Okay, with other information, if any, do you need to prove the two triangle congruent by SAS? All right. Again, SAS, the angle had to be included. All right. So if the angle included, we need to know that LT congruent to MQ. You see that? So they can be, these two triangles can be congruent by SAS. If LT congruent to MQ, all right? LT equal MQ, congruent to MQ is needed because the congruent angle need to be included between two corresponding congruent sides. All right, so you see that? So I have to choose option B right here. Option B. Next question should be very similar. Okay, SAS again. Okay, so remember, okay, let me make it big over here. SAS. The angle had to be included in the middle. All right, so if the angle included right here, the other two sides we need to prove congruent is TG and then QN. All right, these one it had to be congruent. All right, so GT, they said GT and then NQ. That's it. No, all you need is this. GT congruent to NQ. It needed because congruent angle need to be included between two corresponding congruent sides. So option A is correct. Okay. This one very similar. What other information, if any, do you need to prove two triangle congruent by SAS? SAS. So the angle had to be included. All right. So right here is the angle right there. So you got this side already. So the other two pairs, two corresponding side had to be congruent. It had to be right here. Okay. So is that GL and NM? Okay, GL and NN right here. Okay, it needed because congruent angle need to be included between two corresponding congruent sides. So the A is correct. All right, but let's see why the B is not correct. Okay, because GL equal MN and then LT equal MQ are both needed because three corresponding sides but congruent. Yeah, this is correct. If we prove two triangle, two triangle, two triangle congruent by SSS, but they ask for SAS. You see that? We don't prove them congruent by SSS. So that's why this and option B is incorrect. LT congruent to MQ, LT MQ, it can be correct. All right, because the angle need to be included. All right, so if you choose LT and then MQ, that's incorrect. Okay, incorrect. No addition needed, information needed to prove the triangle congruent by SAS. That's also wrong. All right, we need two pair of side, two pair of corresponding side congruent, and the included angle also congruent. So option A is correct. Okay. Question number 13. Would you use SSS or SAS to prove triangle congruent? Okay. So as you see, do we have two pair of side congruent and the included angle? Yes, we do. So it had to be SAS. Okay. Let's check out the name if it's corresponding. SRO. SRO, go with DHT. T. All right. So I would choose option B. Option B is correct. Done, done, done. Question 14. Question 14. Okay. Similarly, you got two pair of side right here. 2 mark, go with 2 mark. Okay. 1 mark, go with 1 mark. And then the included angle right here. Here we go. So they should be congruent by SAS. Okay. Let's check out the name. Okay. ABC. ABC, not the other way around. A, B, and then C. All right, so it should go with K, E, F. K, E, F. All right, so the name is correct. So they do not trick you on that. So I should conclude SAS. Question 15. Okay, again, you see over here, two pair of side congruent, 1 mark, 1 mark, okay, 2 mark, 2 mark, right here, 2 mark, 2 mark, and the included angle, all right? So, SAS. Now, question 16. Okay. Ooh, similar. Okay. So I can see over here, would you use SSS or SAS to prove triangle congruent? If there is not enough information to prove the triangle by SAS or SSS or SAS, right? Not enough info. Yeah, we do have enough info over here. Two pair of side, 1 mark, 1 mark, and then 2 mark, 2 mark. All right. The angle had to be included in between the two sides. Yes, we do have it. So SAS. Okay. SAS. Question 17. Oh, same thing happened. All right. We have enough information. 1 mark, 1 mark, 2 mark, 2 mark over here, and the included angle between the two sides. So these two triangles had to be congruent by SAS. Okay. Um, SAS, and then we're done. I just want to see one scenario that not enough information or SSS. Let's see if they give it to us. 18. Oh yeah, it's SAS again. Okay, you see 1 mark, go with 1 mark. Okay, 2 mark, go with 2 mark. Okay, and the included angle. Okay, so SAS. Done. Done. Oh my God, we have so much time. Um, so much time. Okay, here we go. So if the triangle shows to write a congruent, write a congruent statement. Okay, statement. When you say the congruent statement, it means you list out the name. Okay, let me see over here. Congruent statement. Okay, it means you list out the name of two triangle. Okay, and then you put equal the congruent side. Okay, make sure you list out the name correctly over here. Okay. So over here, yes, they are congruent. Is that by side? Yes, one pair of side congruent by 1 mark over here, and now 2 mark, and then 3 mark. Okay. So yes, they are congruent. So I choose congruent. Now they ask you to list out the name. Okay. Let's see how it happened. Okay. So let's take a look at the name over here. Okay. SAD. SAD. Okay. So SAD have to go with KWD. KWT. KWT. Oh, it's correct. No, but they have to be SAS. All right. I guess you choose the correct reason, and then it's correct. The name already, you have one choice. Okay, so I will choose option B, and then I'm done. SSS. All right, question 20. Same thing. I can see the three pair of side congruent. They do one mark right here, two mark right here, and then three mark right here. Okay, so I just choose congruent, and these two triangle congruent by SSS. So I just choose that. The name they already give it to you. You don't have to go and check the name. Okay, so I just choose the name that go with SSS. Okay, and then we're done. SSS. Okay, last one, same thing over here. One mark, go with one mark, two mark, go with two mark, and then three mark, go with three mark. So these two triangles have to be congruent by side, side, side. So I choose congruent right here. Okay, and then what else do I need? Um, Continue. I will choose the name side, side, side. Okay, and then we're done.